Hello po at magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay November 21, 2022, Lunes. At 34 days na lang, Pasko na. Mabuhay po kayo at welcome po sa The Stock Market today. Ang ating balita ay tungkol sa Metro Pacific at Ayala Land. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer. Nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stocks sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gusto niyo pa-review, pa-comment lang po sa comment box, aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Okay, huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange ngayong araw, November 21, 2022, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Okay, ang ating headlines galing po ito ng Video Securities. BSPC's lower growth until 2024. Sa company news, ito pong isa sa ating main news. Ali unveils 9.8 billion development plan for Lipa State. LTG declares special cash dividends. 50 centavos per share. Malaki-laki po ito, no? Mamaya po ay tignan natin kung magkano po yung dividend yield ni LTG. And then PNB selling more properties. Ito yung kanyang real and other properties or real estate and other properties owned or acquired, no? ROPA. And then Metro Pacific tollways to keep CBTEC's unsolicited proposal. Okay, so yan po ang ating main news at tingnan po natin ang ating dalawang news item which I will get yung summary na lang po, no? Ang tingnan natin mula sa Video Securities, MPTC to keep CBTEC's unsolicited proposal. So Metro Pacific Tollways said it will not give up its original proponent status for its unsolicited proposal to construct a 50.43 km Cavite-Tagaytay-Batangas Expressway despite San Miguel Holding Corp's Cavite-Batangas Expressway overlapping with the project. MPTC will also not participate as a challenger in the Swiss challenge process of CBEX. CBEX is a 27.06 km toll road traversing through the municipalities of Silang, Amadeo, Tagaytay, Indang, Mendez, Alfonso, and Alfonso in Cavite, while CBEX or CTBEX will traverse mostly in the rural areas of Silang, Tagaytay, Amadeo, Mendez, Alfonso, and Magallanes in Cavite Province, and Nasugbu in Batangas. Okay, so yung development po ng MPTC or Metro Pacific Tollways ay ongoing na po, no? Kasi po yung kanyang tollway dito po sa Laguna, Cavite ay nandyan na po sa Silang, ano? Santa Rosa, then Silang, hanggang Silang lang po. Pero merong exit point somewhere near the Silang proper. Okay, next itong Ali, no? Ali unveils 9.8 billion development plan for the Lipa State. So Ali plans to spend 9.8 billion over the next 15 years to develop its newly launched estate, the 92-hectare Areza in Lipa City. Areza is the company's first master-planned estate in Batangas, which will host a mix of residential and commercial developments, as well as contemplating facilities such as a food terminal, a public market, and retail areas. Ali President and CEO Bernard Vincent D. said Lipa City Hall is the state's first locator, expected to be completed by 2025 and will be the main component of our spur economic development. And then LTG declares special cash dividends. This is 50 centavos per share, and the ex-date is December 1 and the payment date is December 16, and the total full year payout of LTG for the dividends for the year is 1 peso 40 centavos, which will translate to a dividend yield of 15.2% based on last Friday's closing price of 9.19. Yan po. So magandang balita po sa LTG holders, no? Stockholders, ang special cash dividends niya. Well, LTG is one of the top dividend paying stocks in the index. Last year, number 1 or number 2 yata siya. I can't remember, pero mataas po ang rating ni LTG in terms of dividend yield. And then, meron po ako ditong, let's read some comments here. Ang sabi ni RJ Fontelar, sabi niya, Sir, magandang araw, pwede po bang mag-request ng dito at Monde? Mas crystal clear po kasi ang analysis at mabuhay po kayo. Naku, salamat po. So, dito and Monde. Pero marami pong mahuhusay dyan na nag-a-analyze, no? Especially those na matagal na, no? Okay, salamat po sa inyong comment. NFT Hunter, Sir Benj, ano magiging epekto ng news ng ACEN, ASLAG, SPNEC sa darating na araw? Actually, nung binasa ko po yung question ninyo, NFT Hunter, I was wondering ano kaya yung news na ito. Then I recalled, meron palang ganito. DOE opens RE to full foreign ownership. Ito ba yung tinutukoy mo? RE is renewable energy. So this might be the news that you're referring to, and if this is the news that the DOE opens the renewable energy sector to full foreign ownership, then that is good news. Kasi po, previously, Section 19, ito po, sa isang paragraph, Section 19 of the IRR previously limited foreign ownership of RE projects to 40%. So yan po yung nakalagay po sa ating IRR, and in the Philippine Constitution unless there is a law which states otherwise, ano? And mukhang binubuksan na po nila ito sa foreign ownership, 100% foreign ownership. Ito po, no? Energy Secretary Lotilla signed on Wednesday or on Tuesday a circular amending the implementing rules and regulations of the Renewable Energy Act to allow 100% foreign capital in RA projects. Actually, this is good news po. Kasi po, dati po 40% for foreign nationals, 60% for Filipino. Now, if you'll open that to foreign ownership, may capital po kasi ang foreign ownership. So, papasok po ang pera for renewable energy plus the technology transfer would be easier and faster dahil mas malaki po ang stake ng foreign owners and gusto po nila na maging competitive po ang mga RE projects in the Philippines compared to the one abroad. So magandang senyales po yan sa ACEN, ASLAG, SPNEC, and to other energy, renewable energy companies, no? Like green. Yan po. So, mamaya po, tingnan po natin si ACEN, ASLAG, at SPNEC on how it's affecting, this news is affecting them. Kung ito po yung tinutukoy po ninyo na news. Okay? Sige po. So, let's now take a look at the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index on how it performed today. Okay. So before we go to the index, let me share with you this, kalalabas lang po nito from Philstar. Solar wind to lead Philippines clean power expansion in the next decade. So clean energy or sustainable energy ang way of the future, no? Kaya tama lang po yung tanong ng ating isang subscriber kanina, si NFT Hunter, no? Yan po, no? So, tignan na po natin ang nangyari sa index. Ito ay bahagyang bumaba, no? Na 34.14 points down, nasa 6403.24. Kung titignan po natin ang analysis ni BDO Securities, ang sinasabi po niya, it is possible na magkaroon ng dalawang senaryo dito, no? So, pwedeng dumiretso po pataas. Ito po yung chart niya. Sabi niya, is number 1, the next long-term bull market may already have begun because of the current crisis, apparently a leading diagonal pattern. And then number 2, the identified wedge is a precursor to a bigger sell down that we will see the PSEI easily pierce through both the 57 and 54 support. So, both ways hindi niya masabi actually, but yung pinakasama rin niya dito ay pataas, no? Anyway, so yan po ang nangyari sa index. Ang ating all-share index bumaba 0.31% at yung ating sectoral indices ay mixed. Ang financials, industrials at mining ay umakyat, samantalang ang holding companies at properties ay bumaba. Nahila po ito ng properties. Kaya po, down ng 0.53% ang index, ganun din ang ating all-share index. So, yung most active stock natin, ito po yung titignan natin, yung ABA, no? At ang i-review natin ay ACEN, ASLAG, SPNEC, D2, MONDE, at ito, yung most active stock si ABA. Yung next most active ay JFC, nasa 252 na po, no? Ang presyo niya 3.28%, samantalang umakyat din si SCC 4.75%, nasa 32 na po. Kasi po nung isang araw, tingnan sandali natin si SCC. Ito po yung isang stock na sinasabi ko po na nagre-respond po sa RSI. So, ako po bilang isang trader at naniniwalang si SCC is one of those stocks which respond to RSI, ako po ay bumili dito sa area to. November 2 at November 10 nung nag-green candlestick po. So November 2 sa 34 ko po nabili. November 10 nasa 29 ko nabili. So ngayon po ay paakyat na po siya. So more or less break even lang po tayo. Kasi nakabili po tayo ng dalawang tranche ng SCC. Okay. So tingnan po natin si ACEN muna. Si ACEN ay umaakyat si ACEN, ha? And overbought na po siya. At for a time ay nasa oversold level, no, starting September 14, pero ang pinakamababa niyang level ay nandito po nung September 28 nung nag-close siya at 551. So if you were able to buy September 8, medyo mataas pa po, no? But you continue to accumulate and reach this level here, ay reach po kayo ng bottom, no? So support is here, yan po 564, pero yung next resistance level na po kasi ito ito po, yan po 719, ano, yung next resistance level, and the next higher nakikita ko po dito sa 844. So overbought na po si ACEN, pero patuloy pa po yung akyat niya, no? Tingnan natin yung exponential. Yan po, no? So, nagbago na po yung kanyang trend with the short and medium term moving averages. Nasa ilalim na po, pati na po yung long term niya. Ito po ay partly because of the news na yung foreign ownership, 100% foreign ownership is already allowed for renewable energy projects. No? Tapos naman si ASLAG. ASLAG, yan, umakyat din po si ASLAG. Ano? Meron po siyang dividends, 3.34% ang kanyang dividendo. No? Ito po ay ex-date December 5, payment date December 22. Pero on the long term ay bearish po siya. Short and medium term ay mukhang nagbabago na po yung trend, ano? Hindi pa po nag-overbought nag-overbought na po siya dito, pero it has to reach an oversold level pa, no? Dahil no October 3 near oversold sa 31 at dito po sa noong November 15 nasa 32, pero nagsimula po siyang umakyat. Meantime, ang ating support nandito sa 165 and the next resistance nakikita ko po dito sa area to. Yan po. Nasa 194.2 pesos. Support and resistance, di po yung exact points. Ito po ay area. SPNEC. Solar Power Nueva Ecija. Yan, umaakyat din po, no? Pero red candlestick po siya ngayon. Yung short and medium term indicator are under. So, nag-oversold po siya dito nung September 15 to October 13. So, halos 1 month po siyang oversold. So, tsempo-tsempo lang po ito, no? Support is here, 108. Pero yung next resistance level ay tignan natin. Ito po yung higher, 173 po. Yung next resistance level niya. Medyo mataas na po. Yung lower, tingnan natin. Nandito po sa medyo, yan. Nandito po sa 150. Solar energy is clean energy. It is the way of the future. So mukhang nag-touch siya ng over 69.81, almost overbought dito. Then si dito, okay, umaakyat si dito. Although here, a small breakout here, 7.64 with volume. So una, nagkaroon siya ng breakout dito noong October 26 with volume. Tapos nagkaroon siya ng consolidation phase. Ito po yun. Then it had another breakout here. Kasi ito po yung previous support niya. Resistance na naging support. Yan. So, nasa 290 po. But the next resistance, nandito po sa level na ito. Nasa 352. So, oversold po siya almost the whole of September, the latter months of September to the latter months of October, almost a month, ano? So, paakyat din po si dito at nasusustain po niya yung volume. And then, si MONDE naman, si MONDE ay unti-unti siyang nakaka-recover. It had oversold levels here nung September 16 hanggang October 4. Tapos simula na doon ay umakyat na, no? Another one on October 17. Ito po ay support, 1123. Pero dito po ay nag-cross na po yung short-term indicator, meaning maaring nagbabago na po yung trend. Pati na po yung medium term, yung blue line, ay nag-cross na po. So, on the short and medium term ay maaring nagbabago na po yung trend. Samantala, yung resistance po niya, ito po yung higher resistance, nasa 1638. Yung higher resistance po ni MONDE. And the lower resistance, nakikita ko po dito sa area to. Yan po, 1465. Dahil po, ang basehan ko po dito ay yung past, no? Ito po may mga resistance levels po siya dito ng July, May, at dito po sa July din. Yan po. So, MONDE, may news kaya si MONDE? Okay, just a quarterly report. Okay, so let's now go to the last stock, ABA. ABA is the most, paakyat si ABA at nagkaroon uli siya ng continuation dito. And here, although hindi po siya breakout, matindi po ang volume niya. Oh. Tingnan niyo po yung blue line. So, nagkaroon po siya ng shooting star or hammer. No? But nasa taas po kasi siya. So, ang masabi ko lang po dito ay volume is a very good indicator na aakyat pa po yung stock. Ano? Although it's already overbought. Kaya lang hindi ko kabisado yung character nito pagdating sa RSI. Pero overbought na po siya. But the volume is a good indicator na aakyat pa po yung stock. So, paakyat pa po siya with support here, 225, ano? Pero yung resistance, this is the highest level that we have already. So, this is a 52-week high, 292. At kung mapapansin po ninyo, yung presyo po niya dito noong March 2022 is even less than 1 peso. So, what's driving this stock? Ano? Mukhang may mag-acquire kayang company, kaya nagkakaroon ng ganito. Oh, ang taas niya, oh. Napakataas. It's already overbought, but the volume doesn't say that it will go down. No? Yung presyo niya will go down. It doesn't say that the price will go down. So yan po ang aking assessment kay ABA. Abangan po natin. Hindi ko po alam kung ano yung news dito. Baka may nalalaman po kayo kung ano nangyayari dito sa ABA. But all indications are it's still moving up. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-21 ng Nobyembre. Ito po si Benji Chodoro nagpapaalala. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.